Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I will be showing you from this iPhone setting on stop spam and unknown calls instantly. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to stop spam and unknown calls instantly, first what you need to do is turn on silence on callers. This instantly blocks spam call, telemarketers, robocalls, unknown numbers, hidden or no caller ID, call center scam calls, and your phone won't ring at all. Calls go straight forward to voicemail and you will always see them in presents. In order to do this, simply head over and open up the settings. Then once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on apps. Then once you're inside your apps, what you need to do here is scroll all the way down until you find the phone application and then simply tap on it. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and then you'll find an option that says silence unknown callers. Simply toggle this on and then calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, which will be sent to voicemail and displayed on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. Then you can also toggle the unknown callers option on as well, and missed call and voicemail from unknown numbers will be moved to the unknown callers list. You can simply check on that unknown callers list as well, and when enabled, only saved contacts, recent outgoing numbers, and Siri suggestions can ring you. Scammers can bypass it. No more loud random calls and their impact on internet calls like WhatsApp, Viber, Messenger, and FaceTime. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.